Welcome to the class, my dear student. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Today I will discuss is A4. Suppose you went to the place below and describe what you saw and what were happening and what you did there. A bus station. It was the winter morning. Neela and I decided to visit my native place. We woke up at 7 a.m. and my mother gave us breakfast. We finished breakfast as soon as possible because we had to leave for Gaptuli bus station. We collected the tickets from the bus counter and the supervisor helped us to find out our seats and the driver started the bus for the destination. We saw white clouds were floating over the sky and the rivers were flowing along with the roads, and the driver stayed different bus station for the receiving passengers. The supervisor helped the passengers to find out their seats and put their luggage in the box of the bus. I saw different stylish hawkers brought delicious food items on their shoulders. I brought some alphabetical books for my cousins. Nela brought Tiler Khaja for my granny, and we reached our destination in the evening. My grandma waited for us, and she was so happy for our safe arrival. And though it was the tiresome journey, I felt happy when I stepped in my native place, a breath full of fresh air. সো এটা হচ্ছে বাস স্টেশনের আমরা যে পিকচারগুলো দেখি বেড়াতে যাওয়ার পরে আমাদের যে মুহূর্তগুলো কাটে আমি সেই কথাগুলো বর্ণনা করেছি অ্যান্ড খুব সহজ ভাষায়। I hope you enjoy this class and thank you and thanks again.